1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Galaxy Club Victoria here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Previous owner states as a 352 V8 underneath the hood now. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, Cruise-O-Matic to be exact. Geranium and Colonial White were the original colors of this car. T and E for paint codes. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Bright work, looking good. Headlight surrounds. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, trunk, and all of those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's now riding on Krager SS wheels, chrome 5 spokes, classic look. It will also come with the steel wheels, some wheel covers. I'm going to get to that in just a bit. It also has the stainless fender skirts. Let's take a look down this passenger side first, though. Be able to see the bright work. And as you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. Interior has been redone to kind of the salmon and white. Would have originally been a geranium, actually radiant geranium interior. Soft textured vinyl with a raven striped nub fabric, so interior has been redone. Exterior of the car has been repainted also, but still looking very similar with the geranium and colonial white colors. Take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper. Dual exhaust exiting back here. Also, of course, the Fairlane 500 insignia, as well as the Galaxy on the rear quarters. Chrome looks good back here. There's the stainless fender skirts that will go with. Car cover in the bag. Some beauty rings, center caps, wheel covers, and the steel wheels in the Krager boxes. Those will get put back in the car and go on to the next owner. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these 50s Fords or just 50s cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. These videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. So we get a good look at the paint on the driver's side as well as that stainless. Couple notes from the technician that looked at this. Does have a newer aluminum radiator that was installed. Brakes are 75% or better at all four corners. And some minor drivetrain seeps. Nothing out of the ordinary on a car that's driven. I did notice too, I wanted to point out over here, we were talking about bright work. There is a little dinger down right there in that chrome. Just want to make sure I pointed that out. And again, paint's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You got a touch up here or there, or a small pebble chip or what have you. It's been touched up, but overall, nice shine to it. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Let's take a look at this interior. Good look at the door panels. Again, vinyl bench seat. Let's go ahead and fire it up. A little bit touchy. Wants to be in just the right spot in park when it is started. So we'll see if I got it in the right spot. We're good. But I just noticed you gotta have her up in park just right, and it fires up. Top of the dash looking good. There's an aftermarket stereo under the dash, as well as the stock radio in the dash. Nice deep exhaust note. Headliner looking good. Let's listen. There's a little rumble. All right, let me go ahead and get this hood open so we can check out the engine bay, and stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And there's a look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. A little chrome. There's that newer aluminum radiator. And again, previous owner stating 352 cubic inches. Running smooth. '59 Ford Fairlane 500 Galaxy Club Victoria. Number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1959 Ford Galaxy. Very stylish 1959. The horn works on this car. Both our turn signals are working. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. Nice rumble to this car. It's got that big car rumble. Like it's just effortlessly cruising along no matter what you do. And beautiful dash from 1959. I did have a little wind whistle from the front wing window on the driver's side, so it's open a little for less whistle. Our fuel gauge reads a half of a tank. The factory temperature gauge is coming up on a quarter of the way from cold. The wipers work on this car. The blower motor blows if you put it on high. Very comfortable car. Bench seat front and back. Bring the whole family on a cruise to a car show. Just to go get ice cream on a nice summer day. A very 1959 color on this car. What would you call it? Salmon coral? Borderline pink? It's very fitting to the 50s. This car cruises down the road really great. Nice and straight. Just brakes are working. I get a slight pull to the left when braking. I think that the brakes just need to be driven on a little bit. Some of those components are new. Corners very luxuriously. What do you expect? It is a big boat of a car. It should corner like that. It's comfortable in the corners, comfortable in the straightaways, ready for a nice long road trip. Take a look at all the pictures of this 59 Ford Galaxy at uniqueclassiccars.com.